Those who don't know, China has these only snack stores. Like they literally only sell snacks, from like chips to chocolates to natural dried fruits and all that stuff. So let's hop in here and see what they have. There's like a fridge here with some frozen products. There's like dried fruit section, and there's like lots of breads, like lots and lots and lots. And then there's all these they have all these nice snacks, more dried, processed. We have noodles here as well. Here we got all the biscuits. So it's literally only selling snacks. This is low-key my favorite thing to get. This Greek yogurt. It's super good. You should try it.